If you have a return faceplate that's cracked, I'm going to show you how to replace it. First thing you want to do is you want to turn off the pump.
The second thing you want to do is take off the jet. Now on your skimmer lid, it should say Jacuzzi or Hayward. Now this one here has the symbol of Hayward. So we know it's a Hayward skimmer, and more than likely when they built the pool, they used Hayward skimmer and the return jets. So with the Hayward faceplate, if you turn it, you'll feel it kind of click down. Because it's indented like that, it'll fit right in there. It'll fit right in there.
Now when you put it in, you just want to put it on snug. You don't want to over tighten it or it's going to crack again.